Mr. Novak with another example of how to use a solve function on your graphics calculator. So we are doing solving linear equations with pronumerals on both sides. So we'll just give you another example of that. So let's have a look at that. Here we got an example out of the textbook, exercise 3B number 2. And in the textbook, it nicely shows you how to go about solving using manual techniques. I like the way they finish off every example with a left side, right side check, a way of checking that you have got the correct answer. And here is what we're looking to use, and that's the graphic calculator, can arrive at the same answer. So I recommend that rather than checking the answer at the back of the book, practice using your calculator. So let's go through that process now on our calculator. So this might be a document you've got, you don't no longer need it. The quickest way is to go Control N for new document, Control N. Do you want to save? No. If you do, just give it an appropriate name. We need the calculator page. And remember, to solve, it's menu 3-1. Try and avoid using the cursor pad because it's easier just to press the keypad. Much quicker. Remember those brackets are there for the solve function, not for you. So in the first example, we have brackets. You need to, they're separate from these ones. So on the left-hand side, we've got 3 brackets. 3. Oh, remember, it doesn't like sometimes pronumerals and brackets. Okay, we can put the brackets now, but I always feel safe if I just put the times there. I'll never have problems. Inside we have the 2 times x plus 1. Don't tab because tab will take you all the way out to the end. We just need to cursor across 1 and press the equal sign so that we can set up our linear equation. And that's negative 4x. Remember, it's a linear equation because there's only one variable, x. Net minus 17. Often students are so quick to just do that. Oh, and you get this error message. Oh, what do we do? Relax. Remember what you did wrong? Yes, you need to come back inside and you need to go comma. You wonder what that comma's for? It's not a grammatical punctuation. It's for the purpose of separating. We need to tell it which pronumeral are we solving. Of course, we're solving for x. Pressing enter, and there's your answer. So have a go at using this to check your answers when you do it manually, rather than using the back of the textbook. Thanks.